All right, so here's a grade 11 algebra question. You were asked in this particular question to solve for x. So what were you given? You were given x is equals to 4 over x plus 3. So the first order of business is to dissolve this denominator. And in order for you to do that, you're going to multiply this denominator with all the terms that are available within this equation. So which means that on the left side, we're now going to say x multiplied by x, which is equals to, then we take this x, we say x over 1 multiplied by 4 over x plus 3 multiplied by x, right? And then what am I going to do? Obviously, I start here whereby these two, they cancel each other. Then now I come here and I say x times x, which is equals to x squared, which is equal to, now I'm left with 4 here only. I have a positive sign there. Then I've got 3 multiplied by x, which is equal to 3x. So I've got x, which is x squared, which is equals to 4 plus 3x. So what am I going to do? I'm going to transpose these two terms to the left side. So my equation now reads x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I have to factorize in order for me to solve for x. So now I say x in the first bracket, x in the second bracket is all equal to 0. Now I want factors of negative 4, whereby when I add or subtract, they give me negative 3. So firstly, this sign, I get it, the negative sign, I get it as a result of saying negative multiplied by a positive. And it's here, in order for me to get that, it's a positive 1 and a negative 4. Right? Why did I do that? Because now when I go and I say x times 1, it will give me a positive x. And when I say negative 4 times x, it will give me negative 4x. And when I say 1 minus 4x, it will give me a negative 3x, which is what is there. So, right? All right. So, I've just proven that I have factorized correctly. From there, remember, they said solve for x. So now I said x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. I'm going to transpose. So again, therefore conclude that x is equal to a positive 4, or therefore my x is equal to a negative 1. And I'm done. I've solved for x. Very, very simple.